What's up guys, in this video I'm clearing up whether you can play Red Dead Redemption 2 on PlayStation using a keyboard and mouse. The short answer is no. Red Dead Redemption 2 does not support keyboard and mouse on PlayStation. If you check the official PlayStation store for the game, you'll notice there is no mention of keyboard and mouse support at all. They list online feature, player count and other details, but nothing about keyboard and mouse. Another clear sign is that if you plug a keyboard and mouse directly into the PlayStation using the USB ports, they simply don't work in the game. There's no setting to enable them either. This is common with Rockstar Games titles. GTA 5 on PlayStation also doesn't support keyboard and mouse, and Red Dead Redemption 2 isn't listed on PlayStation's official keyboard and mouse supported games list. So as of now, it's impossible to play RDR2 with a keyboard and mouse on PlayStation. You can only play using a controller. If you really want keyboard and mouse, the PC version is your only real option. Hopefully this cleared things up. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.